Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make every word smaller, every letter smaller in Microsoft Word document. So firstly press Ctrl A and select this all text. Then here in Home tab you will see this option. So click here and here the option lowercase, sentence case, uppercase. So to make lowercase small letter, just select it. So now this whole document will appear small and lowercase. Each letter is small. So this is a short video to learn how to make every letter in small case in Word document. Thanks for watching.